Hey, good afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing? So, I don't know if you've noticed yet or not, but I do have a new playlist up on my channel called Product Talk. So, here is our first product talk. It is Shaklee's Get Clean Laundry. I've got a full load in my washing machine right now, and so I'm getting ready to start another load. Here's a scoop, okay? Let's see, what does it say? Standard load, do 1 ounce. Washers for medium loads, and for large loads do 2 ounces. So normally what we do, this scoop doesn't have ounces on it, but we'll normally do about 3/4, about like that. And yes, that is really all we do for loads. Our clothes smell clean, they feel great. Okay, so I'm just going to dump that in there. And then for the soft fabric, for medium loads it says 1/2 ounce. For large loads it says 1 ounce. Normally what I'll do is I'll just put in till it gets to the minimum line on our little spot. So it's probably about 1 ounce. Okay, so there's that. And then here is the Nature Bright Stain Booster. We actually, in my house, we actually only do 1/2 a scoop. And yes, there is a scoop in the bag. Okay, so 1/2 a scoop there. And boom, that's it. Start the load. Doesn't matter what your water type is, hard, soft, doesn't matter. Got it on cold and hit start. And there goes our load using Shaklee's Get Clean Laundry side of it. Hope you guys will tune in for the next product talk. We'll talk to you later. Y'all take care.